I finished working on the gown.
I knew the making of this dress would be a lot of work, but I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready because tell me why. That delusional part of me was telling me that I would be done with this dress in 2 days. 2 days. This was Saturday evening, and I didn't do much on that day. I just did the part that covers the bust, and I carried the rest of the work home with the intention of working on Sunday, but that didn't happen. On Monday by 5 a.m., I was showered and dressed up to go to work, but I wanted to do some of the work at home. I was recording a tutorial for this dress, by the way. I started out working with the basic double crochet stitch, and then I got to a point I was like, why am I just using double crochet stitch? So I switched from the double crochet stitch to the granny stitch. I've not used the granny stitch since 2023 when I made this viral dress over here. So I've decided that I'm going to work with the granny stitch. At this point, I've already used up 3 balls of this yarn. I'm at a mini length and I want to work a maxi. I only have this ball remaining, so obviously it's not going to be enough. So I'm going to blend in the off-white. The time is 6:30 p.m. on Monday. I've been seated right here on this spot since 5:30 a.m. I was supposed to be at work today, but I couldn't go because I thought if I moved a step out of this house, I was not going to finish this dress today. I went on to do 10 rows with the off-white, and this is what I have. It's 11:28 p.m. I thought I would finish this today, but I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. I've been working for 18 hours non-stop, so I just need to rest. I'll be up by 5 tomorrow in the morning, and I can finish this by 8. I only have a few inches remaining, but I also need to change up the upper part. I don't like it. It's something that I need to do about this part. So I'm going to bed, then I'll continue in the morning. It's 9:22 a.m. on Tuesday. I'm done with the dress. I've not done the flowers yet because I've run out of yarn. I'm going to finish at the shop, but this is what we have so far. And I love it. I love it. I'll be doing the flowers in off-white because I'm out of yellow completely. It's taken me like 22 hours, 21 and a half hours so far. I spent Tuesday afternoon making the flowers. You guys did not tell me that making these flowers was going to take forever. Like, why is it taking more time than the time that I took to make the dress? It's on Wednesday, 43 minutes past midnight. I've been working on this. Why are they taking so long? Now I'm realizing why I don't usually accessorize my clothes, because I want to be done with something and move on to something else. Why do we need this? If I told you that this was Wednesday afternoon at 3, would you believe it? 3 p.m. That is when I started attaching the flowers to the dress, and I wasn't done until 7 p.m. on Wednesday. That was a lot of time, right? At some point, I even stopped counting the time because what? What do you mean it took me over 3 days to complete this dress? I thought I would be done in 2. I finished attaching the flowers, but I messed up with this one. I had to peel it out because it was pulling on the gown, but I'm done with the gown. Do you love it? I love it. I think it's beautiful, but was the time that I put in worth it? No. I would rather have my gown without the flowers. I love the gown without the flowers. What are the flowers for? Okay, they are beautiful. They look nice, but I love mine without the flowers. I'm willing to make the gown with the flowers for a client as long as you're willing to pay double the price of this gown, because the amount of time I put in making the flowers, no, we can't do that without getting double the price of this gown. Guess how much I'm making for this gown? How much would you be willing to pay for this gown? Let me know in the comment section. A tutorial is coming up for this gown, so make sure that you check it out.